To log out of Google Maps on the web version, you need to use your Google account menu because Google Maps does not have a separate sign out button inside its interface. Everything is controlled through the account profile in the top right corner of the screen. Start by opening Google Maps on your desktop browser. Make sure you are on the main map page and fully signed into your Google account. This is important because the sign out option is only available when an account is active. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is displayed. This icon represents your currently signed-in Google account and controls all account-related actions. Click the profile icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains options related to your account, including settings, activity, and sign-out controls. From the drop-down menu, select Sign Out. If you're using more than one Google account in the same browser session, you may also see an option called Sign Out of All Accounts. Choose this if you want to fully disconnect every active session. Once you click Sign Out, Google Maps will automatically refresh the page. This refresh indicates that your session has ended and the account is no longer active. After the refresh, you will notice that the profile icon is replaced with a generic sign-in button or an empty avatar. This confirms that you are no longer logged in. At this point, Google Maps will still allow you to view maps and search locations, but personalized features like saved places, timeline history, and contributions will no longer be accessible until you sign in again. If the interface does not update immediately, you can manually refresh the page to ensure the sign-out has fully taken effect. And that's how you log out of Google Maps on the web version. Use the profile icon in the top right corner, select Sign Out, and confirm the session has ended after the page refreshes.